So maybe you like all these AI presentation tools, but you still need to use PowerPoint for work, for your job, for your career, whatever it may be. But here we go. Don't worry. I'm going to show you how you can still use PowerPoint inside of ChatGPT and actually save a ton of time. All right, before we jump in, let me tell you a little more about what this is. So my name's Jordan Wilson. I'm the host of Everyday AI. We're a daily live stream podcast and free daily newsletter. Check out that free daily newsletter. We help everyday people learn and leverage AI. So this is part of our AI in 5 segment. So every single weekday, we jump into a new AI tool or technique and show you how you can use it to grow, right? So let's get into just that, and let's talk about this plugin. It is called Smart Slides. So it is an AI-powered tool for rapid PowerPoint presentations. Input your needs and let ChatGPT do the rest. All right, so pretty good claims, right? So now, inside this chat, I kind of even asked ChatGPT what all Smart Slides does. That's something great. If you're new to plugins, I always recommend doing this just so you know the full capabilities of the different plugins that you're using. And as a reminder, if you're looking for this and you're like, how do I get this? Well, you have to have the ChatGPT Plus account. So that's $20 a month. I think it's well worth it. And you'll have to enable the Smart Slides plugin and start a new chat with the plugin. So let's just go ahead and show you what it does in real time. So I go ahead and I just went ahead and put in this prompt. So what I'm asking for is I said, please create a very short slide presentation based on this content. So here is the content. So this is a recent episode that I did a couple weeks ago on the best ChatGPT plugins and how they'll change your business. Okay. So what I'm asking this plugin to do is to look at this website and to create a presentation. So you might be asking, how is that possible? Well, you're going to need other plugins to read the website. So in this case, I have a couple different plugins active. I have Browser Op and YouTube Summaries. So we teach plugin packs at Everyday AI. So if you're interested in what that is, we go over that in our free prompting course. It's called PPP, Prime Prompt Polish. So if you're listening to that and that would be helpful, just go ahead and type PPP in the comments and I'll reach out to you and give you access. So let's jump in. We're doing this live. We always do it live, and let's see what we got. So it used this Browser Op plugin to read that web page. And then based on the information on that web page, it broke it down like I asked. I said, please create a very short slide presentation based on this content. So it went ahead and it said, here's the slides, slide 1 through 7. So if I wanted to, I could obviously add a lot more information in here. I could ask it to. I could say, here's the type of content I would like on each page. I could even include another plugin in here to generate AI images. I'm not doing that now. I'm trying to keep this somewhat simple just to show you the features of this plugin. All right, so at the very end, it says, would you like me to generate a downloadable slide? I'm just going to say yes. And that should, I believe, go ahead and create this presentation. So I'm on a Mac. I don't use PowerPoint. So I'll still kind of show you. I'll still be able to open the slide once it's done creating it. So if you're ever curious, as you're looking on plugins, you can always click the toggle to see what actually happened when using the plugin, right? I think that's always something very helpful. So as an example, I can make sure that it got the correct information. So I can click the Browser Op and I can read what the plugin itself was reading, and I see that it accurately looked at the transcript of this video that I had on the website. So that's great. So it looks like we're just about done. We call this AI in 5. Sometimes it goes a little bit over, but no worries. So it looks like it's done. It says download the presentation. You can click and download and view the presentation. All right, so I'm doing that now. And let's go ahead. I'm opening it. Like I said, I have Keynote on my computer, but it does read PowerPoint slides. So I'm going to go ahead and try to share that here. Let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and remove this. All right, there we go. Sorry about that. So here we have our slides now. So we literally, I can click through it here. here's all of the information that was in that ChatGPT window. So we went in a matter of seconds. Yeah, I had a little technical fumble, but we went from crawling a website, taking all of that information off a website inside ChatGPT into a PowerPoint that now I can go ahead and open and edit and use. Pretty amazing, right? So I hope this was helpful. If so, as a reminder, please go to youreverydayai.com. Sign up for the free daily newsletter. That's where we share the AI in 5. And join us every single day, weekday, 7:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. We bring on a great guest and we talk generative AI. So I hope to see you back, not only for another AI in 5, but on the podcast and live stream as well. Thanks a lot.